Good afternoon, folks. I'm Jackson Wilburn here with the afternoon weather update for August 1st, 2024. It's August, boys. And we're going to be taking a look at some headlines. We're going to be taking a look at a tropical weather outlook here in a second. But first, let's take a look at the radar here. As you can see, a line of storms is developing just to the west of Asheville here. You can see some pop-up storms just ahead of that. But we're mainly concerned about this and anything behind it. That is going to be one of our main concerns for the severe risk today. But first, we're going to take a look at our update before we get into severe storms. So thunderstorms are going to be through the evening. Severe storms possible with that. We have scattered thunderstorms Friday and a potential tropical disturbance developing over the week. So 87, 69 are high and low respectively. Winds gusting to 50 to 60 miles an hour basically the whole day. With these thunderstorms, and we're going to be watching these severe storm warnings, and we'll go on air if we need to. Our hour-by-hour forecast here, 2 p.m., we're going to be mostly cloudy, and by 3, it'll become more scattered as that line kind of shivers in, and then 4 and 5, we are going to have isolated thunderstorms behind the line. So our severe risk today, tornadoes cannot be ruled out because we have a tornado risk just to our west. Those could be long track and potentially go to our area. That development. The development is the fuel in the atmosphere is a little lower in our viewing area, but we can't rule out these tornadoes with that. So 50 to 60 miles an hour wind risk. We also have a small hail risk and a medium flooding risk. Similar story for tomorrow, but we don't have as much of a tornado risk. And this includes the entire viewing area, including our northern Georgia counties there and all of our Tennessee counties. So, with that, we're going to take you to our tropical weather outlook. And as you can see, here is a less than 40% chance to develop disturbance right here, just east of Cuba. And that will impact at least portions of Florida as this makes its way through the islands right here, and can potentially, if this takes the path through the Atlantic, this will impact our viewing area. So with this, we're going to be mainly on the severe side of things. Flooding and winds are our main concerns, as they've been for the past couple of weeks or so, but an isolated tornado, too, cannot be ruled out. Flooding and winds are our main concerns because these are usually slow-moving storms, really slow, RC car speed, and very windy, very, very windy storms. You could see Hurricane Harvey actually touched down, and as it went through Alabama, it was producing tornadoes, probably like EF2 tornadoes there in Pickens County. So, we just can't rule out anything, any tornadoes here with that storm. So we're going to take a look at tomorrow's forecast. 88 degrees with scattered thunderstorms along the way. Of course, winds gusting higher than what you see on screen, but 7 miles an hour if you aren't impacted by these thunderstorms. So let's take it to the 7-day forecast to wrap things up here. High for the week is going to be 90. Low is going to be 66. We're going to have a break in the storms Monday and Tuesday. That is always a great sign. I'm Jackson Wilburn. This was your afternoon weather update here on Highland Weather, and I'm going to take you back to regular programming.